Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Iberia Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the checked-in baggage allowance, economy passengers are generally allowed one free check-in bag weighing up to 23 kilogram on most boats. And the business and the premium economy passengers often have higher allowance. And basically, specific baggage allowance vary by far, type, and the route. So you better be checking the booking details for the exact limit. And when it comes to the check-in baggage dimension and the fees, the check-in bag must adhere to weight and size restrictions, and the bag exceeding the limits may incur additional fees. And for the cabin bag allowance, passengers can bring one main carry-on bag and one personal item for free, and the cabin bag must meet size restrictions to fit overhead compartment or under the seat. So for the business and the first class allowance, higher class passengers enjoy increasing weight limits and more checked baggage compared to the economy passengers. And when it comes to the additional fees, extra fees may apply for exceeding baggage allowance, oversized or overweight luggage, or special items. And the sport equipment such as the golf clubs or the skis have specific rules and charges, and the passengers can basically add extra baggage or adjust their allowance during the online check. And it would be better for the passengers to go online to check on for additional information. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.